We are the actors from Wild Dogs Under My Skirt. Well, I moved here from Samoa in October 2011. And so I went to school in Rutherford. That's where I saw, because we never had dance or drama classes, and I was like, oh, this is interesting. And because growing up as a Papafina in society, I was just like, there's a lot of bullying and all this kind of stuff, you know. And I remember watching TV and like, you know, Beyonce and all that. It's like, oh my gosh, that's it.
Yeah.
Maybe if I get into acting and be on TV and fame, maybe that's my way out. After high school, I went to Pipa. That's when it all changes. Like, it's something bigger.
So I had my first experience with acting in high school. So that was actually my very first experience. I took drama in my last year, and man, I'm so happy that I did. During my high school years, I experienced a lot of bullying. I felt very lost. I felt very conflicted. I was going through a lot of internal stuff, you know. And when I found drama, I was just so happy because it was a place where I could, again, put all that stuff, lay all that crap, all that yucky stuff, put it somewhere, have somewhere to put it, instead of just internalizing all of it. And that's what drama allowed me to do.
My way of thinking is like, okay, I don't need your negativity, I don't need anything, you know. I use all those as part of my strength and to deliver every performance that I do.
That's what adds to you as a person. And so I try to use that as something to help my acting, as a tool. I try to use that, my experiences and everything that I've been through, as a tool with acting.
You're definitely gonna have, you know, obstacles in your way, but you just have to find yourself and know yourself really well and find a way to navigate through all those obstacles when they